In this video I'll show you how to use the website and YouTube thumbnail template. You'll be able to create unlimited numbers of thumbnails for both your website and your YouTube videos in few minutes. I tried to make it as easy as possible to work with the template and does not need any Photoshop editing experience. You just need very basic editing skills. You only need to know how to work with layers. That's it. Without much talking, let's get started. The template is a PSD file. Open it in Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can open and edit it in Photopea. It's an online software. Get access to it at www.photopea.com. As shown here, I opened the PSD file in online photopea.com software. Once you open the file, you'll be on this screen, as shown here. On the right side, you'll find the Layers panel. You'll find 5 groups of layers. They are, from top to bottom, people, titles, review, product images, then backgrounds. The people group contains many photo layers for women and men. The appearance of a person's face on the thumbnail is very important. It was proven to increase viewers' engagement and hence increase the CTR. The CTR is very important factor to rank your video higher in YouTube search results. You can browse this group and select the photo which suits your thumbnail objective. The next group is the titles group. You can use it to show the product's name on the thumbnail. You can change the font name and font size to suit your needs. The third group is the review group, and it just contains the word review with small several backgrounds. You can display it on each thumbnail related to product review as shown here. The next group is the products images group. This group contains images layers for all products in the voiceover package, so you can create its thumbnail in no time, as I'll show you later in this video. The last group is the backgrounds group. This group contains several background layers. You can add to this group as many backgrounds as you like. Now let's say I want to create a thumbnail for Lanta Flat Belly Shake product. Here's how I will do it. This product is about weight loss. From the products group, I'll show the Lanta Flat Belly Shake layer. I can move the image here to reposition it whenever I want, like this. Then, from the people group, I'll select an image that's suitable to the product, like this one. From the backgrounds group, I'll select any layer, like this one. I'll display the review title, as shown here. Finally, make some fine-tuning to the final result, and once it's complete, now the time to export it. From File menu, click Export, then click Export as, then save it to your drive. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help, please contact me anytime, or leave a comment below this video. Thank you for watching.